Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best chocolate. Crafting exceptional chocolate begins with understanding its core components. The quality of your cocoa beans is paramount, as they form the very foundation of flavor. We'll explore the journey from bean to bar, covering each essential step to transform simple ingredients into a luxurious treat. Get ready to unlock the secrets of truly delicious chocolate. Selecting the finest cocoa beans is your first critical step. Look for origins known for their distinct flavor profiles. Next, we move to roasting, a transformative process. Gently roast your beans at around 120 to 130 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. This precise heat develops the deep, complex aromatic compounds that define great chocolate, unlocking its full potential. After roasting, the beans are ground into a smooth cocoa liquor, a crucial stage for achieving that silky texture. Then comes conching, a lengthy process that can last from several hours to several days. This continuous mixing refines the flavor, reducing any bitterness and developing a rich, mellow taste. During conching, you'll incorporate sugar and other desired ingredients, blending them perfectly. Finally, we arrive at tempering, which is essential for that beautiful glossy finish and satisfying snap. You'll gently heat your chocolate to about 45 degrees Celsius, then cool it down to around 27 degrees Celsius. A slight reheat to 31 degrees Celsius ensures perfect crystallization. This careful temperature control prevents blooming and guarantees your homemade chocolate looks and tastes professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.